If you're trying to figure out how to sync your invoicing with your CRM or project tools, and you're tired of clunky workflows or missed payments, this is the only tutorial you need. I've tested all the major platforms and found the fastest, easiest way to connect everything, and I'll walk you through it in just a few minutes. Stick around, because at the end, I'll show you a powerful feature that saves hours every week, and you'll only find it in the software we'll be using today. Let's jump in. First, make sure your CRM or project tool allows third-party integrations or has built-in invoicing modules. Some tools like ClickUp, Monday.com, and Asana don't come with native invoicing, so you'll need to connect them with an external invoicing tool using a platform like Zapier or Make.com. The software we'll be using today makes this entire process simple because it integrates with almost every major CRM and project tool out of the box. You'll find an exclusive free trial to this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Start by logging into your CRM or project management tool. Go to your settings or integration section and look for either invoicing or API HSChains webhooks. If it's supported, you'll see an option to connect to an invoicing platform. Now switch over to the invoicing software. Head to the integration settings. Here, connect your CRM by selecting it from the list. Or if you're using a custom tool, paste in your API key. Once that's done, set up your automation rules. These usually look something like: when a task is marked complete in your project tool, create a draft invoice. Or, when a deal is marked 1 in your CRM, send an invoice automatically. This saves you from ever forgetting to bill a client again. Next, map the fields. This is key. Make sure your project or CRM fields like client name, email, service provided, and due date all match the corresponding fields in the invoicing system. Most platforms have a drag and drop field mapper to make this easier. After that, test your automation. Mark a project as complete or close a deal to make sure an invoice gets triggered. If it works, you're done. If not, double check your field mappings or authentication settings. Now, for the part I mentioned earlier, there's a bonus feature in the software we're using that lets you track overdue invoices within your CRM dashboard. No switching tabs, no separate logins. Just one clean view that keeps your team on the same page and your payments on track. Again, that's available through the exclusive free trial below. So what's the key takeaway? Syncing your invoicing with your CRM or project tools isn't just about automation. It's about making sure no money slips through the cracks, no matter how busy your pipeline gets. Quick recap. Make sure your tools support integrations. Connect your CRM or project manager to the invoicing platform. Set your automation triggers, map your fields properly, test your setup, use the bonus feature to keep everything in one place. If you found this helpful, I highly recommend you grab the exclusive free trial in the description so you can follow along and get this set up today. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and it'll save you hours every month. Thanks for watching.